So this is the my Shopify admin panel. Okay friends, just wait. So friends, this is my admin panel, and as you are seeing, this is home. So in order to make the website, your drop shipping website on your Shopify, you have to choose first a plan. There are the three types of the plans. Means $29 per month, which is the minimum plan on the Shopify. You can choose that. So firstly I am showing you my home. There are the lot of the things which you can talk on the Shopify. So here is the sales. Look here, this is the total sales. This is the number of sale, no order yet, and view report. If you click on the view report, just I am clicking the view report, then you can see the report of your items. Here is a no data found, the date range selected. So this all the things. I am going to back. So total session 1, no visitor right now. So a lot of the things. Shopify Academy turn your sword. So a lot of the things here. All channels. This is, if you are clicking on the all channels, you will find all channels online store. You will click on the online store, then you will see them some report here, means how many person added to cart. Look here, conversion funnel, added to cart, reached the checkout, how many person reached to checkout to your products, which is 0. Finally purchased, how many person have purchased your product. This will show some stats here. Top ranking performance, so there were no refer during the top social traffic source. So all these stats you can find here just by clicking on here, which is online store, and you click on the online store, then you'll find some stats here. This is Google Shopping, which is if you will add this, then you can run the ad on your Google Ads. Click on the others. Total sales, total product, activity. So this thing you can find, and this is Google Shopping. Total sales. So, and because you are not seeing anything sales yet, because I have selected here today, you can change as a today, yesterday, this week, this month, and you can select much things from here, means date range. So this is about the how you can see your stats on Shopify. So a lot of the things are much to tell you, so just visit my YouTube channel and subscribe it, so that you could get each and every video. Thank you very much.